Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to multiply for beginners. Remember, this is the visual way, so we're going to be drawing and figuring out how to multiply. And if you are not a beginner or you do not like to learn visually or by drawing, you can go ahead and watch my other videos. So we're going to be drawing, okay? Let's get started. We have 4 times 3 over here. So we're going to draw this out, and this will help us solve it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to look at that first number over here, which is a 4. And now we're going to draw 4 circles, because that's how we're going to do this. Now we don't need that 4 anymore. So we're going to take that second number over here, and we're going to draw 3 tallies in each circle. Alright? Now we don't need that 3 anymore. So this is how it's going to work. You're going to take those 3 tallies and you're going to add all of these circles up. We're going to add everything that's in the circle up. So if we have 3 tallies over here, we have 3 tallies over here, and so on. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and add these up. Now what you can do is you can count each tally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Or you can go ahead and do it the old school way, which you can do 3 plus 3, 6. We don't need these 3 anymore. 6 plus 3 is 9, so we don't need this one anymore. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. Of course, it's a little bit more complex than just counting each tally, but either way, you will get 12. So the answer to 4 times 3 is 12. Let's go ahead and try another one. Let's do 5 times 2. Alright, once again, we're going to take that first number and we're going to draw whatever number that is, that's how many circles we're going to draw. So I'm going to go ahead and draw 5 circles, and now we don't need that 5 anymore. And now we're going to look at that second number, and we're going to draw 2 tallies in each circle. We don't need that second number anymore, and now what we're going to do is you're going to count each tally. So we're going to actually do this way. It's kind of a little bit more simpler. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 tallies. So that means 5 times 2 is equivalent to 10. Super easy. This is the last one I'm going to give you guys. You guys are actually going to solve this one. So let's do 3 times 3. You can go ahead and pause the video right now. I'll give you 5 seconds, and you can solve this. And then I'll solve it for you guys, and we'll see if you got it right. Alrighties, hopefully you are done solving it. If not, please go back and go ahead and pause it and solve it. Remember, our first step is to look at that first number and draw however many circles that number is. So we're going to draw 3 circles because that's 3. We don't need that 3 anymore. You don't have to cross this out, but you can if you want. Now we're going to take that second number over here, and we're going to draw that many tallies in each circle. Now we don't need that number anymore. And now we're going to go ahead and count each number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that should be 9. So 3 times 3 is equivalent to 9. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys learned something new. And if so, please go ahead and like, comment, and share this video. And subscribe to my channel to follow and look at more videos. Thank you so much, and bye!